Warga Patisi TV. Ha kejingja aksiden kabalaja ha kalai terik urisau arajar arpusan. Ha kabakawai ke Trok mini dumper kabadan yo registration number ML05EC8447 kabawan na joai banlet shabhoi rembong kala Tynrah ya kisan ngut kibriyo ha kasinong tadrang kabahap ha maulesnai Nongñiah ajong ka Trok bat unong buru kila Mynsaw lang. Nongñiah ajong ka Trok ubalatip karteng kum ufer lindes rembai lai pusau snem karta udei ubanalat kor pat ba unong bu jong ka Trok pat udwain dakar lai pu isnem karta udei nakli tersi. Ha kini kejingja aksiden kabaka Trok kala Tynrah ya kisan ngut lai ngut ki Khynnah kila yap hasan kat ba ibai pat ila Mynsaw henrai ila khlano ha Nazareth hospital Shillong bat idang don sa ibai pat iba Mynsaw ibadang don menta ha hospital. Kilaingot kibala klat hasan kidai kibala tip kerteng kum kapiban pentingan renja khatlai snem karta lashim ti nongrum khatlai snem karta Teresa nongrum khat khandai snem karta bat karida hun lang nongrum khatlai snem karta ibadang don hospital pat ide iyo parisa nongrum khatwai snem karta baro kidai nakasnong thatrang madan lingba.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.